Hi class, I hope everyone's doing well. Everyone is doing really well in the class. I'm really impressed with you guys. I'm going to go over your homework assignments. The first homework assignment we're going to go over is your coding activity, which is you're going to change an H1 tag inside your index page. So right here we have our H1 tag for the pasta more. What we're going to do is we're going to embed our style sheet for this homework assignment. So what you do is you start with your opening style tag up here, style type equals text CSS, and then you have your closing style. Okay, and what we're doing is we're doing something called redefining a tag. So we come up here, we have an H1. If we were redefining a paragraph tag, our CSS would look like this and just be a P. So we have an H1, we're redefining our H1 and we're adding the color to it. I'm just going to change all the H1s in the index.html page. If you have several H1 tags and you just want to change one of them, you would use something called an ID. So I would come in here and I would put a pound. I'm going to type in the word heading. This word can be anything you want it. And what I would do is apply the ID to the H1 tag. So ID equals heading. If we had several H1 tags and we wanted to change them, what we use is something called a class. So ID is used once and a class is used multiple times. So what we'll do is come in here and we will put a dot in front of it, meaning class. So a dot is a class and a pound is an ID. And then what we could do is simply come in here and change our H1 and apply the class to it. So I hope this helps you with your coding aspect of your homework. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over the other portion of it, which is your file management. So what you need to do is you need to set up your file management correctly on your computer for your website. I assume most of you guys have already done this. So you have your website, it's in a folder, and inside that main folder, you will have an images folder. You can have a JavaScript folder with just the JS folder here, and this is optional. You'll have a media folder, and on this top level, you have all your index files. Right here, usually with websites, the CS file is linked. So we're not at the portion of the course yet. I'm just using this to illustrate this point to you. So this would be the style CSS file. Okay? Also remember, when you're labeling things, folders and names, remember you cannot have spaces, so it needs an underscore, and everything needs to be lowercase. If you do not set up your files correctly, you can cause you problems later on. Okay? So I'm going to go over how to submit this assignment. So this assignment has two portions to it. One is to create your sitemap XML file. So what you're going to do is you're going to build your sitemap XML file, which is posted in the announcements. I didn't want to put it in this video because this video would be very long. So your XML up here at the very top. At the bottom of the page, what you would do is you would simply list your file management. Tell me the name of your website, and then tell me what folders you have and what HTML files you have. What you will do then is save this Word document and submit it. Anyways, I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, please reach out to me through email, Skype, or post in the discussion board, and I will talk to you guys later.